Hey guys, welcome back. In this episode, we will make a delicious grilled lamb with an amazing mushroom sauce. So stay tuned. We start by cutting the lamb in smaller chunks. If you don't like it gamey, then cut off the fat from the meat. When done, we chop some garlic and we add it on top of the meat. A squeeze of lemon, some salt, followed by some ground black pepper, some dry white wine, a touch of oil, and some Dijon mustard. We will grill some vegetables along with the meat, and in order to do that, we cut some white peppers, red peppers, white onions, some red onions, and a few tomatoes. We start to add them on the stick, and we grill them until ready. While our meat is grilling, we start to finely dice some white onion for our mushroom sauce. We do the same with the garlic. Next we clean and slice some champignon mushrooms. And in a hot cast iron pan, we add some extra virgin olive oil, followed by the diced onions and the garlic. We sear them for a minute, and we add the sliced mushrooms. We season it with salt and ground black pepper. We add a touch of dry white wine with lemon and Dijon mustard, followed by some dried rosemary, and we let it cook for 15 minutes. The meat is ready, So we take it off the heat and we add the mushroom sauce on top. This is a delicious and simple to make lamb recipe. Try it out and let us know what you think. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave us a comment below. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.